Today's topic is sleep, a vital process that affects our memory, mood, and concentration. It helps our body stay healthy and recharge each night. When we don't get enough sleep, we often feel tired, lose focus, and become irritable. So, what exactly is sleep? It's a natural state of rest that happens mostly at night when our body slows down, our brain activity changes, and our awareness of the world around us decreases. We feel sleepy at night because our body follows a natural rhythm called the circadian rhythm. It works like an internal clock. When darkness sets in, our brain produces a hormone called melatonin, which signals that it's time to rest. Sleep happens in 4 main stages that repeat in cycles throughout the night. Stage 1, the lighter stage. Muscles relax and breathing slows as we begin to drift off. Stage 2, body temperature drops, heart rate slows, and brain waves become slower. Stage 3, deep sleep. The body repairs tissues, builds bones, and strengthens the immune system. It's the hardest stage to wake from. Stage 4, known as rapid eye movement. When the eyes move quickly under closed lids, the brain becomes very active, and most dreams occur. Although not every dream has a clear meaning, scientists believe dreaming helps the brain process emotions, organize memories, and work through problems. Dreams also serve as a kind of mental rehearsal, allowing us to explore thoughts or fears in a safe way. Why do people snore? Snoring happens when air doesn't move smoothly through the nose or throat during sleep. This causes nearby tissues to vibrate, creating the snoring sound. It can occur due to nasal blockage, sleeping on the back, being overweight, or relaxed throat muscles during deep sleep. By the way, animals sleep differently from humans because their bodies and lifestyles are adapted to their environments. Some animals rest lightly or in short bursts to stay alert for predators. Others, like dolphins, sleep with only half their brain active, so they can continue swimming or breathing. Each species has its own unique sleep pattern, designed to help it survive. And it makes perfect sense. What causes sleepwalking or talking during sleep? These behaviors usually happen in deep sleep, when the body is resting but part of the brain remains active. They're often linked to stress, lack of sleep, fever, or even inherited traits. How does using phones before bed affect our sleep? The blue light from phone screens slows the production of melatonin, the hormone that helps us fall asleep. This tricks the brain into thinking it's still daytime, making it harder to drift off and reducing the overall quality of our sleep. In general, sleep is essential for our body and mind to recharge, stay healthy, and function well. Good sleep helps us think clearly, feel better, and live more balanced lives. Make sure you sleep well.